Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the social studies class, the part of social science, the part of business studies. Yes, I hope all of my students having a good health during the second wave of corona. Yes, regarding the part of business studies, the important chapter, that is consumer education and protection. Regarding this chapter, we are going to learn some important aspects. They are consumer rights, and then exploitation and consumer awareness. Then the major objectives of consumer protection and its importance. They follow certain precautionary measures while buying goods and services. The significance of the consumer education and information with regard methods of filing cases with a consumer court. These are the important aspects we are going to learn in today's class. Let us know, my dear students, what is user and what is provider. Yes, here there are two well-known words we are using daily in our life: user and provider. Yes, what is user? Yes, the service organizations have used the term, the word user, to those who use the goods and services. ಯಾರು ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೋ ಸೊ ಅವನನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ, ಯೂಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡರ್. ಎಸ್, ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಸಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ದ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡರ್. ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥವನು ಅಥವಾ ಸರಬರಾಜು ಮಾಡುವಂಥವನು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವನಿಗೆ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್, ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಎಸ್, ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್, ದ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ movement, the history of consumer movement began in United States of America in the first time. Okay, let us do. When consumer movements were started in India, yes, in India, planning commission, ಯೋಜನಾ ಆಯೋಗ, ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಯೋಜನಾ ಆಯೋಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿತು? ಇಟ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ದ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್, ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ 1956. ವೈ ದ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 1956? What was the background to started this consumer association? Yes, there was an incident which was held in Mumbai. During 1956, some of the women of Mumbai, they were started a movement called Aware. Aware, A-W-A-R-E. Aware stands the Association of Women Against Rising Expenses. ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ತಾವು ಬಳಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಅತಿ ಅವಶ್ಯಕವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಬೆಲೆ ಏರಿಕೆಯ ವಿರೋಧ ಹುಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಂಘ, ಒಂದು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅವೇರ್. ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್, ದ ಮೆನಿ organizations, councils were started. The Federation of Consumer Organization was started. The National Consumer Protection Council was started. there are many associations were started to protect the consumers, to give the justice for the consumers. So what are the reasons for the consumer exploitation? What are the major reasons for consumer exploitation? ಗ್ರಾಹಕನಿಗೆ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾರಣಗಳೇನು, ಅವರನ್ನು ಶೋಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣಗಳೇನು? ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಡೇರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಮೆನ್. ಈ ಮಧ್ಯವರ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಆ ಮಧ್ಯವರ್ತಿಯ ಹಾವಳಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಯಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವೀಸಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡನ್ ಬೈ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ by the middlemen. That was done by the middlemen, not done by directly any person. The price fixation of the goods and services was done mainly by the middlemen. This is the major cause for the exploitation of consumer. When agricultural occupations developed, it changed the marketing methods. Yes, the government has introduced the APMCs. Like today also in Delhi, lack of farmers were protest against the central government policies. The direct transaction between the producer and consumer has almost stopped. The direct transaction was almost stopped due to of entering the middlemen. The development of information technology has led to teleshopping. Through teleshopping, the consumer can sit at home and directly buy the goods from the traders. Then, consumer. This word, what is the meaning of the word consumer? The consumer is a person who buys goods and hides or avails services for a consideration called price or wages. Any activity or any transaction carried on with the motive of making profit, this is called commercial purpose. Yes, the usual word, the consumer is regarded as the king, and he occupies a prime place. But nowadays, consumer is not regarded as a king. The middlemen who are called brokers, those who are the king of the market. But this was the, unfortunately, many at times the consumers are neglected, they exploited, they cheated. Okay, how we protect the consumers? Is there any policies through the government? Yes. Consumer protection refers to protection to the consumer against the exploitation by the producers and the traders. Here, who are cheaters? Who are exploiters? The producer and traders are the cheaters. To safeguard the interests of consumers, the protection, the reason of protection of consumer protection is to safeguard the interests of consumers and their consumer rights. There are many acts were implemented through the governments to protect the consumers. The consumer movements were started by a few people who suffered on account of continuous exploitation by the traders. For example, during 1956, some of the women who were lived in Mumbai, they were started a movement called AWARE, A-W-A-R-E. Such movements brought pressure on the government, and then government alerted to formulate a law and new acts to safeguard the interests of the consumers. The last 5 decades, more than 30 acts have been implemented. For example, Essential Commodities Act, Weights and Measures Act, and Act Against the Adulteration of Food and Articles Act. The Government of India introduced Consumer Protection Act in 1986. This was the significance to step this direction. We are celebrating every year the World Consumer Day. In the history of the World Consumers Movement, March 15th, 1962 is an important day for the consumers. In the history of the world consumers, movement was started March 15th, 1962. That was an important day. United States of America's President John F. Kennedy during 1962 adopted a legislation comprising of 4 rights such as citizen safety and Information Act and Appeal and Remedy. For this reason, March 15th every year is celebrated as the World Consumers Day. Then, what are the major objectives of the Consumers Act? The first one is, this act accords importance for safety and quality. It accords to importance of safety and quality of the product and service. The second objective of the Consumer Act was avoiding production and sale of dangerous goods. ಅಪಾಯಕಾರಿಯಾದಂತಹ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ತಡೆಯುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. Then the third is prevention of trade malpractices in the market. And then fourth one is supervision on quality and supervision on weights and measures and prices. The fifth one is compensating the consumers in case of any problem arising as a result of trade. And the sixth one is to creating awareness to the consumers through the consumers' education. Then, in total, the major objectives of the Act is to ensure quality goods and services at a reasonable price through a healthy competition. The Consumer Protection Act, it extends to the whole of India except Jammu and Kashmir. Today, Jammu and Kashmir also included under this Act. Okay, let us discuss about the consumer rights. Every consumer has their own right. What are the rights of the consumer? Let us discuss. The right to protect against the marketing of goods which are called hazards to life and property of consumers. The right to protect against the marketing of goods which are hazards to life and property of the consumers. The second is the right to information. Then right to choice. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅನೇಕ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, we are fully right to choose the products and right heard and right to seek readdressal against the unfair trade practices or unscrupulous exploitations. Then the sixth one is right to consumer education. ಗ್ರಾಹಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಪಡಿತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಕ್ಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಯಿಟೇಷನ್, ಶೋಷಣೆಯ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಅದನ್ನು ಶೋಷಣೆಯನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಕ್ಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದರ್ ಲೈಫ್. ದೆನ್ the Consumer Protection Act provides for the establishment of 3-level protection councils. One is Central Protection Council, that is in national level. The ministry in charge of consumer affairs at the central government is the chairman. Central government is the chairman. The second is the State Consumer Protection Council. The third is the District Consumer Protection Council. Here there are 3 type of councils who are going to having a rights to protect the consumers, protect the rights of the consumers. State Consumer Protection Council is in the state level. The ministry in charge of consumer affairs at the state level. The District Consumer Protection Council is in the district level. The District Commissioner or DC is the chairman at the district level. Consumer disputes readdressal agencies, District Forum, National Commission and State Commission. District Forum, National Commission and State Commission. In the District Forum, there shall be a forum at each district. A qualified district judge nominated by the state government present over the deliberations. It entertains the complaints where the value of goods and services is less than 20 lakhs. ಯಾವುದೇ ಗ್ರಾಹಕ 20 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಳಗೆ ಮೋಸ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತಹ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ತಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ನ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ವರೆಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಲಕ್ಷದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ವ್ಯವಹಾರ? 20 ಲಕ್ಷದ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ದೇರ್ ಶಾಲ್ ಬಿ 2 members of whom one shall be a woman. Another second is the State Commission. A person who is or has been a high court judge is its president. There shall be 2 other eminent members for help to him who have adequate knowledge relating to the consumer rights or consumer affairs. It entertains the complaints of exceeding 20 rupees or 20 lakhs but not more than 1 crore. 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮತ್ತು 20 ಲಕ್ಷದ ಮೇಲ್ಪಟ್ಟು ವ್ಯವಹಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ ಹೋಗಿರುವಂಥವರು ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ದೂರನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. Then the National Commission, the third one is national. It is headed by a judge of Supreme Court of the appointed by the central government as a president. There shall be 4 other members of the eminence, integrity and standing. Of them one shall be a woman. National Commission shall be dispose of any complaints where the claim shall exceed of 1 crore. 1 ಕೋಟಿಗಿಂತ ಮೇಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ವ್ಯವಹಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ ಹೋಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಯಾವುದೇ ದೂರನ್ನ ವಿಚಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಹಕ್ಕು ಒಂದು ಹಕ್ಕು ಯಾರಿಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್. There are methods to be followed to be file a case ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ದೂರನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು? ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್? ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಪ್ರೊಫಾರ್ಮಾ ಟು ಫೈಲ್ ಎ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಕೇಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಾ. ದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಟೈಪ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಬೈ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟರ್, ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಾರು ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಟೈಪ್ ಆದರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಫುಲ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್. ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಅರ್ಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಾಹಕನ ಹೆಸರು, ಅವನ ವಿಳಾಸ, ಅವನ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆರ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಎಗನೆಸ್ಟ್ whom the complaint is made should be mentioned clearly with the address. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ದೂರು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅಂತವನ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೂಡ, ವಿಳಾಸ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. The particulars of the goods by which the loss has incurred and the amount of loss should be specified clearly. The bill or receipt should be enclosed. ತನ್ನ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವನು ಯಾವ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ, ಆ ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು ಅದರ ರೆಸಿಪ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎನ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. ದ ಬಿಲ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎನ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಫೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈಂಟ್. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಫೀಸ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಚೀಟರ್. ನೋ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಲಾಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ದ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಆರ್ ಹರ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಲಾಯರ್ ಕೂಡ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ಗ್ರಾಹಕ ಮೋಸ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾನೋ ಅವನು ಸ್ವತಃ ವಾದ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಫೀಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಗ್ರಾಹಕರ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ today's session, and also you can view this video again and again, and like, share it and subscribe it. Bye.